Are you gearing up to launch your Shopify store but need a way to build anticipation and collect emails before the big reveal? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching password page or coming soon page using PageFly. First thing first, we need to create a password page. Head to the page's navigation bar. There are two ways to create a password page. Click on Create from a template, then select Password. You can choose from many pre-designed password page templates. Or if you want to create your own design, click on Create Blank Page and then select Password. Now it's time to make the page your own with the background image. Navigate to the Elements function on the left menu bar. Add a 1:1 layout. Go to the Styling tab, scroll down, and click Select Image to add background image. I will select this image and hit Done. Then click on More Settings. Here you can adjust background position, background repeat, and background size. Finally, scroll up to set the padding to ensure the full image is visible. Next, I will add store information for the password page. I'll include a heading, countdown timer, paragraph, and contact form element. Click on the heading to change its content in the General tab. To adjust its styling, switch to the Styling tab. I will modify the content color, font family, and font size. For the countdown timer, I'll start by styling the countdown number in the Styling tab. Then the countdown label. In the General tab, you can set the countdown start, restart, and end times. Click on More Settings to see additional options. For detailed instructions, refer to the video in the top right corner of the screen. For the paragraph, you can summarize your store's information here. Remember to customize the contact form to make it more engaging. Finally, when you're done, publish the page to see the result in live view. To view the password page in live view, you have to enable password from Shopify Admin dashboard. Go to Preferences, scroll down and you can set the password here. Once the password is enabled, refresh the page to see the password page. Visitors can submit their emails here to stay updated with the latest information from you. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.